everyone, and we are back. We have completed the first 3 bags of this build, and now we're back to do the last 2, which is the food stands. We have our little picnic area and we have our taco truck, so let's not waste any time to get those food stands built. So there we go. That is all of it done now. I am absolutely amazed by the amount of detail that is in these 2 stalls. Absolutely loved building them, and they are going to be so good for any city. If you're building a park and you want food stalls or anything like that, they fit nicely together. As you can see, I put them on a base plate. I want to try and keep everything together and maybe expand, put a couple of more picnic tables out there, but this is just absolutely amazing. The set is well worth buying if you have a Lego city, if you have a park, if you're doing any mocks that you just want to include food stalls, and there's so much details in these. I think the sushi shop stand is one of my favorite. The juice shop we do see quite often throughout other builds as well, but the sushi shop is quite unique and the techniques that they use there, so I absolutely love that. I hope you guys enjoyed this build, and I will do a much more thorough review on these ones at a later stage, but please like and subscribe and come back for some more soon. Thank you. Bye.